Introducing the new Bring Back the Wild Animals, the eastern wolf, the western screech-owl, the swift fox, and the bobolink. One of the most serious threats facing the survival of all these animals is habitat loss, which means that there are fewer and fewer safe places for these animals to live in the wild. But as Earth Rangers, there is something we can do to help. Let's learn about these 4 amazing animals and the Bring Back the Wild projects that are helping to protect them. First up, the bobolink. Bobblings are tiny songbirds that live across Canada in the summer. The male bobolink produces a beautiful and unique song that sounds like this. Bobolings travel further than most migratory songbirds. Every year, they fly about 20,000 kilometers, migrating to their wintering grounds in South America and then back to breed the next summer. This means that during their lifetime, a typical bobolink will have flown the same distance as 2 to 3 trips around the world. But bobolinks need our help. We're purchasing GPS geolocators and placing them on bobolinks to monitor their migration, and restoring their breeding habitat by removing invading trees from open areas and planting native grasses. Next up is the eastern wolf. Eastern wolves are part of the dog family. They're about the same weight as a Dalmatian, or 10 Chihuahuas. Most can be found in Ontario's Algonquin Provincial Park, where they live in packs of 3 to 6. The leader of each pack is called the alpha male. Wolves have really cool howls. They howl to communicate with each other and warn their pack of danger. Baby wolves are called pups, and about 4 to 7 pups are born in a litter. A wolf pup's eyes are blue at birth, but their eyes turn yellow by the time they're about 8 months old. Unfortunately, these beautiful animals are at risk in Canada. But you can help. We're purchasing GPS satellite collars for eastern wolves to track their movement patterns, learn more about their habitat use in the wild, and discover new populations in the area. Our next Bring Back the Wild project is the western screech-owl, so named because they live in Western Canada and have a loud, distinctive call. They're experts at blending into their environment, which helps them hide from dangerous predators. Their amazing night vision, combined with their ability to fly almost completely silently, makes it easier for them to catch prey. Baby owls are called owlets, and they will have learned to fly and leave their nest when they're about 6 weeks old. Once they leave the nest, they don't generally return. Unfortunately, there is an extremely small number of western screech owls left in the Canadian wild. So we're conducting nocturnal population surveys to discover their nest locations and estimate population size and habitat use. We're also doing daytime habitat surveys to learn more about what these owls need to survive. This work will allow conservationists to make better decisions on how to protect these birds. The last project we want to tell you about is the swift fox. In Canada, swift foxes are found in southern Alberta and Saskatchewan. Swift foxes are named because of their speediness. They can sprint at top speeds of around 60 kilometers an hour. That's 3 times faster than the average human can run. Swift foxes are the smallest member of the dog family, but have vertical pupils, similar to cats. They also have excellent night vision. Baby foxes are called kits. There are usually 2 to 5 kits born in a litter. And until they're 1 to 2 weeks old, their eyes and ears are closed and they can't walk very well until they emerge from the den. Swift foxes catch their prey with a characteristic high pounce, one of the first things kits learn when they begin to hunt. Unfortunately, the future of these little foxes is threatened. To help, we're setting up cameras in summer areas where swift foxes are thought to live, providing critical scientific data about their summer habitat occupancy while breeding. So here we have them, the new Earth Rangers Bring Back the Wild projects. All these animals need our help, and there is something you can do. Join the thousands of children just like you who are taking action right now to help protect animals and their homes by starting your own Bring Back the Wild campaign today.